Are you struggling to stay focused on your studies, constantly finding yourself distracted and procrastinating? Do you wish you had the self-discipline of a legendary samurai warrior like Miyamoto Musashi? In this video, we'll delve into the techniques and strategies used by Musashi to build unshakable self-discipline, and show you how to apply them to your own student life. Lesson 1. Start small and be consistent. Miyamoto Musashi believed that mastery comes from persistent, consistent practice. As a student, you may feel overwhelmed by the vast amount of knowledge to absorb and the multitude of tasks to complete. The key is to start small and be consistent. Musashi himself started with the basics of swordsmanship, honing his skills day by day until he became a master. Begin by setting small, manageable goals. For instance, rather than committing to studying for 3 hours straight, start with 30 minutes of focused study. Once you've successfully incorporated this into your routine, gradually increase the time. Consistency is crucial. Studying a little every day is more effective than cramming all at once. Consistency builds habits. According to Musashi, do nothing which is of no use. This principle encourages you to focus on actions that contribute to your goals. By consistently practicing small tasks, you build a strong foundation. Over time, these small actions compound, leading to significant progress. To stay consistent, track your progress. Use a journal or an app to record your daily efforts. Reflect on what works and what doesn't, and adjust your approach accordingly. This reflection helps you stay accountable and motivated. Remember, consistency is about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. Musashi's life was a testament to this principle, as he dedicated himself to constant practice, leading to mastery. Lesson 2. Craft a schedule and stick to it. Musashi's discipline was rooted in structure and order. He meticulously planned his training and daily routines. As a student, crafting a schedule is essential to managing your time effectively and ensuring you allocate sufficient time to your studies. Begin by identifying your priorities. What subjects or tasks require the most attention? Once you've established your priorities, create a daily and weekly schedule. Allocate specific time slots for studying, attending classes, completing assignments, and taking breaks. Be realistic about the time you need for each task and avoid overloading your schedule. A well-crafted schedule includes time for rest and relaxation. Musashi understood the importance of balance. He advocated for a life of harmony, where intense focus is balanced with rest. Ensure your schedule allows for adequate sleep, physical activity, and leisure. These activities rejuvenate your mind and body, enabling you to study more effectively. Sticking to your schedule requires discipline. There will be days when you're tempted to deviate. On such days, remind yourself of your goals and the long-term benefits of adhering to your schedule. Musashi's principle of control of the mind is crucial here. Train your mind to stay focused and resist distractions. Over time, this mental discipline becomes second nature, making it easier to stick to your schedule. Review your schedule regularly. At the end of each week, assess what worked and what didn't. Make necessary adjustments to improve your productivity. This continuous improvement process ensures your schedule remains effective and aligned with your goals. Lesson 3. Turn off distractions. Musashi was a master of focus. In a duel, any distraction could be fatal. While your environment may not be as perilous, distractions can still derail your academic efforts. Turning off distractions is essential to maintaining concentration and enhancing productivity. Identify common distractions in your environment. These might include your phone, social media, noisy surroundings, or even thoughts unrelated to your studies. Once you've identified these distractions, take steps to eliminate or minimize them. Create a dedicated study space. Choose a quiet, comfortable location where you can focus without interruptions. Inform family or housemates of your study times, asking them to minimize disturbances. Use tools like noise-canceling headphones or white noise apps to block out background noise. Manage digital distractions by setting specific times for checking emails and social media. Use apps and tools that block distracting websites during study sessions. Train yourself to resist the urge to check your phone constantly. Musashi's teaching of the body in one place emphasizes being fully present in the moment. Apply this to your studies by giving your full attention to the task at hand. Practice mindfulness to manage internal distractions. If you find your mind wandering, gently bring your focus back to your studies. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or short mindfulness exercises can help improve your concentration. Musashi's principle of immovable mind teaches the importance of maintaining a calm, focused mind. This mental state allows you to study more effectively and efficiently. Lesson 4. Reward yourself. Musashi understood the power of motivation. He often reflected on his achievements and used them to fuel his drive. As a student, rewarding yourself is a powerful way to stay motivated and maintain discipline. Set up a system of rewards for achieving your goals. These rewards don't have to be extravagant. They can be small treats, such as a favorite snack, a short break, or a leisurely activity you enjoy. The key is to make the reward something you look forward to. Link rewards to specific achievements. For example, reward yourself after completing a challenging assignment or studying for a set number of hours. This creates a positive association with your efforts, making it easier to stay motivated. Celebrate your progress. Reflect on your achievements and acknowledge your hard work. Musashi's principle of know the way of all professions encourages you to appreciate your journey and the skills you acquire along the way. Celebrating your progress reinforces your commitment to your goals and boosts your confidence. Use rewards to build positive habits. By consistently rewarding yourself for disciplined behavior, you create a cycle of positive reinforcement. This cycle helps you develop and maintain good study habits. Over time, these habits become ingrained, making it easier to stay disciplined. Lesson 5. Prime your environment. Musashi was meticulous about his surroundings. He believed that the environment plays a crucial role in shaping one's behavior and performance. As a student, priming your environment is essential to fostering discipline and productivity. Start by decluttering your study space. A clean, organized environment reduces distractions and helps you focus. Ensure your study area is well lit and comfortable. Invest in a good chair and desk to support good posture and reduce physical strain. Surround yourself with motivational reminders. Display quotes, images, or objects that inspire you and remind you of your goals. These visual cues can boost your motivation and keep you focused on your studies. Musashi often used nature and art to inspire and calm his mind, finding beauty and motivation in his surroundings. Organize your study materials for easy access. Keep textbooks, notebooks, and supplies within reach. This reduces the time spent searching for items and keeps your focus on studying. Use storage solutions like shelves, drawers, and organizers to maintain order. Create a study routine that primes your mind for focus. Develop rituals or habits that signal the start of your study session. This could be as simple as brewing a cup of tea, playing soft background music, or doing a quick mindfulness exercise. These rituals help transition your mind into a focused state, making it easier to concentrate. Minimize external distractions by setting boundaries. Inform those around you of your study times and request minimal interruptions. Use tools like Do Not Disturb signs or apps to enforce these boundaries. Musashi's teaching of know the smallest things and the biggest things, the shallowest things and the deepest things, emphasizes the importance of paying attention to all aspects of your environment. By priming your environment, you create a space conducive to discipline and productivity. Lesson 6. Forgive yourself and get back on track. Even Musashi, with all his discipline and mastery, faced setbacks and failures. The key to maintaining self-discipline is to forgive yourself for mistakes and quickly get back on track. As a student, you will inevitably encounter challenges and setbacks. How you respond to these challenges determines your success. Accept that setbacks are part of the journey. Everyone makes mistakes and faces obstacles. Instead of dwelling on failures, view them as learning opportunities. Musashi believed in continuous improvement, learning from every experience to become better. Forgive yourself for mistakes. Self-compassion is crucial to maintaining motivation and discipline. If you miss a study session or perform poorly on an assignment, acknowledge your feelings, forgive yourself, and move on. Dwelling on failures only hinders your progress. Reflect on setbacks to identify areas for improvement. Analyze what went wrong and how you can avoid similar mistakes in the future. This reflection helps you develop strategies to overcome challenges and reinforces your commitment to your goals. Recommit to your goals and get back on track. After a setback, take a moment to reaffirm your commitment to your studies. Remind yourself of your long-term goals and the reasons behind your efforts. Use this reflection to reignite your motivation and focus. Maintain a growth mindset. Musashi's philosophy of continuous learning and improvement aligns with the concept of a growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embrace challenges, persevere through difficulties, and view setbacks as opportunities to grow. Lesson 7. Focus on progress, not perfection. Musashi's journey to mastery was marked by continuous progress, not a quest for perfection. As a student, focusing on progress rather than perfection helps maintain motivation and discipline. Set realistic, achievable goals. Instead of striving for perfection, aim for steady improvement. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This approach makes it easier to track progress and celebrate achievements. Measure your progress regularly. Keep a journal or use an app to record your efforts and track your improvement. Regularly reviewing your progress helps you stay motivated and identify areas for further growth. Musashi's principle of constant practice underscores the importance of continuous effort and improvement. Celebrate small victories. Recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This positive reinforcement boosts your confidence and motivation. Musashi often reflected on his progress, using his achievements to fuel his drive for further improvement. Learn from your mistakes. Instead of striving for perfection, view mistakes as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, make necessary adjustments, and continue moving forward. This approach fosters resilience and a growth mindset. Embrace the journey. Musashi's philosophy emphasizes the importance of the journey over the destination. Focus on the process of learning and improvement rather than the end result. This mindset shift helps you appreciate your efforts and stay motivated. Surround yourself with supportive people. Share your goals and progress with friends, family, or mentors who can offer encouragement and constructive feedback. Their support can help you stay focused and motivated. By focusing on progress, not perfection, you build a resilient mindset that embraces challenges and values continuous improvement. This mindset is essential for maintaining discipline and achieving academic success. Building self-discipline as a student is a journey that requires consistent effort, structure, and a positive mindset. By following the teachings of Miyamoto Musashi, you can develop the discipline needed to achieve your academic goals. Start small and be consistent in your efforts. Craft a schedule and stick to it. Turn off distractions and create a focused study environment. Reward yourself for your achievements and maintain motivation. Prime your environment to support your studies. Forgive yourself for setbacks and quickly get back on track. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Remember, self-discipline is not about rigid adherence to rules, but about cultivating habits and mindsets that support your goals. Musashi's wisdom, drawn from his life of mastery and discipline, provides a powerful framework to guide you on this journey. Embrace these lessons, stay committed, and remember that the path to success is marked by continuous improvement and dedication. With discipline, determination, and the right mindset, you can achieve your academic goals and beyond.